Once again, my name is Dario from MEDIABOXENT here on Amazon Live, and what we have today is a Keychain body action camera, 4K 30 frames per second, and you can record up to 60 minutes. You have a slow motion, hand-free mini block camera. You just put it there. It's an action camera. Just hit it somewhere you want it and just go on the go and record. Take out it there, plug it in back in your computer, and get the information out of here. And for me, it's cool because I love skateboarding. So I can use that and go cool skateboard and put it there, or bike ride, or whatever, mountain bike, motorcycle, whatever, you should put it there. All right, so ultra light 4K, big camera. And we see here, and allow you also to use the base. That's pretty interesting, right? And the clips and the USB cable, because you're gonna be downloading the stuff out of from here to your computer. All right, information and instructions, even to get the app if you want to synchronize with the app. Guess with the free cut here, okay? And cool, we can use this as a black camera, right? Blocking camera, so we can just put somewhere there. And we have here the clip, so you take the camera from here, right? And you want this, something like that, a keychain version, you can use that. Or you can, because it's magnetic, and now you can, you know, hold it right in your body. I would say mostly like a hat, right? And also you have the other part, right? This is a magnetic thing where you're gonna stick this somewhere, maybe your bike or somewhere there, something permanent, and that's this there. Okay, so this is a permanent side, and then you just grab this and you put it there, and you have the great camera. Use it like this, right? Pretty simple. Turn it off from there, start recording. Now from here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna charge. That's the memory here, and I think that's my memory because I was testing this out. I thought it's already came with the memory there. Okay, so my biggie. So you have a little bit there, and a USB Type C. Got confused when on the camera. Okay, so you put the memory there. What I put here? I gotta test this out. I think I record something here. Don't remember. 64 gigabytes. Pretty interesting. I double check that. And sometimes you lose the memory in one of these equipments. Okay. And it has the reset switch, USB there, and charge it. And they say if you want to plug this in your computer, it should be able to recognize your computer too. But I think the idea for this is use this when just do it a nice way to record, you know, a cool video, set it up somewhere, and that's it.